Welcome to Tools Met. Today we're reviewing a CNC machine that's gaining strong attention on Amazon for woodworking, engraving, and small workshop use. Right away, the solid metal frame makes a great impression. It's built to reduce vibration and improve cutting accuracy, helping you achieve clean, professional results. Whether you're working with wood, acrylic, plastic, or soft metals, this machine stays stable and performs consistently. When it comes to performance, this CNC machine delivers smooth and reliable operation. The precision stepper motors allow for accurate movement, making it ideal for detailed engravings and complex carving projects. The spindle provides steady power during longer cutting sessions, while adjustable speed control lets you easily match the cutting speed to different materials. Ease of use is another big advantage. The setup process is simple, and the machine supports popular software like GRBL, Candle, and Lightburn. Even beginners can start creating projects quickly without a steep learning curve. This makes it a great choice for DIY creators, hobbyists, and small business owners. Key highlights include a sturdy build, impressive accuracy, beginner-friendly operation, and excellent value for the price.